what's up? It's Jake from Motorized. We're about to be going around and interviewing a few people that have their cars here, kind of talk about them, see what we got going on. All right, we're starting off with Drew with the GTR. This one we actually built here, and we're going to talk a little bit about it. So,
Hello, my name is Andrew. It is an Alpha 14X kit. Makes like 1250-ish horsepower. Standing half mile. It's done 194. It's got a stage 3.5 Shep 1K transmission. A beautiful one-off paint job done by this guy and another beautiful guy over there named Tyler.
I'm not going to take any of the credit for the paint job. That was all Tyler. But it has a sweet Nismo front bumper setup on it that was done. You know, this car was in an accident, and it came back better than it ever could have.
I mean, it's the sentimental value of the car. It didn't really matter, like, what was wrong with it. It didn't matter about the money. It was just, you know, we wanted to keep it in the family, and insurance hooked us up. So we were like, you know, let's take the extra mile. Let's do the paint job, do the bumper. It was a good time.
Now, you did this build yourself, right?
Yeah, an old retired body man. This is part of my art. This is, I built this. I bought it for $1,000. I've had it for over 32 years.
Wow, $1,000.
$1,000 for a 57 Chevy. Yeah.
Well, let's go ahead and take a look at it. What's going on under the hood?
Okay, you got a 350 4-bolt main with a gear drive in it, all Zoops brackets, all hidden wiring, all hidden battery, disc brakes, power booster. And we got a brand new wood kit, all new wiring, all new glass, all new doors.
Yeah, you got a beautiful polished wood in there.
All brand new oak and all stainless steel strips. All redone and all painted, and Tyler gave me a hand with some of this on the inside, show me what was doing, how to mask it and stuff like that. And I got the whole inside of here. Here's inside the doors, all brand new doors. And Chuck gave me a hand building almost all of this.
Now, Chuck, he was, you know, a dear friend of yours. And,
Yes.
You know, he worked here for over 20 years.
Yes.
Over 20 years, coming up on 30.
Yep.
And he was a great guy. So it's awesome to see his craftsmanship
This-
still shining through. It's a little bit too quiet. I think we need to. I don't know. How about we go ahead and start that thing? Scare the crowd. All right, guys. So we got our tuned roast right here. We're not throwing any car off of the street on the bag. We got these cars here personally. They have personal meaning to us, okay? This one we built here in-house through Motorized and Showtime Collision. And we did throw it on our tuned medium roast coffee bag. You can pick this up on our website. And, you know, just holding it up to my face, it's a fantastic smelling roast. All right, I'm standing here with our Motorized supercharged medium roast coffee. And we're gonna go ahead and bother Jared because he owns this car and it just happens to be here with us on site. So I'm over here with Jared and we have his car in our supercharged coffee bag. So tell us a little bit about your Audi. It's an S4.
Yeah, so 2014 S4, fully built, ported supercharger, on air. Everything that you can do, unless you're showing this to any police officers, and it's stock. Other than that, it's fun. It's my favorite car right now. I got it like a year ago, and absolutely no complaints. Yeah, and I'm stoked to be on the bag of the coffee.
Exactly, and it's not stock. He trailers it out to Mexico, races it out there. That's how we all do it. So.
Yeah, exactly. Only trailered, only to Mexico.
Go ahead and tell me a little bit more about the car. What's up with the wrap? What's the color?
Yeah.
I mean, what was the color when you got it? I know what it looked like, but I want to hear it from you.
So factory, it's like a Daytona gray. It's kind of like a pearlescent gray. The color is a Nosatec. It's a pearlescent urban bamboo. Weird name, but cool color. It's actually a Porsche PTS factory color that costs $150,000 for paint. So I thought I'd go with the wrap rather because I don't have $150,000 to spend. Other than that, got a little bit of carbon fiber, as you can see here. A little bit more carbon fiber. If you come around the side here, got the two-piece Vision forged wheels, polished, dark polished, big brake kit, 6-piston front brakes, 4-piston rear brakes, a little more carbon fiber, and then Studio RSR roll cage in this bad boy. So just in case you flip it off of the side of the mountain, you'll be kind of safe. If you head to the back of the car, this is where it gets a little showy. more carbon fiber. You got dual 12-inch L7 subs in there, and a nicely fitted hard-lined air kit.
Now, this car was built for SEMA, right?
Yeah, so built for the 2015 SEMA Auto Show. It was premiered there. It was a little different. It was pink. I wasn't really into the pink wrap, so we changed the color, but everything else almost is the same, besides the power, up the power a little bit. So now she's making 620 to the wheels. It's got pistons, springs, retainers, and rods, and it sounds better than a Hellcat.
All right, it's about raffle time. So for those of you guys that are out there over by Action, we're getting ready for the raffle. So if your guys' name is in there, we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, the first item we're raffling off is our On the Rocks cold brew coffee. It's 1 bag, as well as a motorized tank top. Adrian Ramirez. There you go, thank you.
Cool. Thanks, bro.
Next up, we have our motorized sweatshirt. Go ahead and hold this up, Tyler. It's actually a pretty cool looking design. I think you guys will like it. Again, same thing with the sizes. We're more than happy to accommodate. And then we also have our supercharged medium roast bag of coffee. And the name is Nathan Robinson.
You want to exchange it or anything?
What is it, XL?
I'm not sure.
Next up, we have a donation from High Caliber Auto Glass. So if you have any windshield chips or you get any in the future, all right. So we're giving away 3. We're going to start out with the first one. No way. Yeah. What are the odds? No way. Corey Jones. There you go. Wait.
I didn't do that.
My man.
I swear this is not rigged. That just happened to be a coincidence. Shane Heckman. You got it for him?
Appreciate it, guys.
Of course. All right, and our third and final chip repair we're about to give away, Shelly Preston. What's he giving away? Okay, next one. This is the high ticket item. It is a $300 service or gift card toward any tinting service with Chris the Tint Master down in Calamasa. Isabella Rodarte. Congratulations. Of course. Our last and final item to give away, another high ticketed item. Showtime signature detail, okay? What's included? Can I explain what goes in here?
Interior and exterior.
It's pretty much an interior and exterior detail. Pretty simple, but it has about a $300 value. Cody Crisp. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Of course. Thank you guys for participating. Congratulations to all of the winners. Come on, I want to hear this thing.
I'm gonna hit a launch control for you.
Yeah? I'm going to run down the street and get it.